friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to give you a fridge tour since I don't have time to do a house tour yet. I'm just going to give you a fridge tour. So whatever inside our fridge, please don't judge us. So let's go ahead and get started. So we just got this 2 weeks ago when we moved here. So here, let's open it. So we'll start from here. So we have our condiments here. We have ketchup, Cholula. We have an alternative for soy sauce, which is liquid aminos. And then we have this Thousand Islands dressing. We have this syrup for our pancake, it's here. And we have sesame oil. We have this sauce for lumpia or spring rolls. Here we have our peanut butter. Here we have this buffalo wing sauce. We have rice vinegar. So it's rice vinegar. And then we have, this is for our Bloody Mary mixed. So whenever we drink Bloody Mary, this is what we put in there. We have our apple cider vinegar. We have this roasted pineapple glaze. We got it from Costco. We have this salsa from Costco, of course. And we have this, I think this is rice wine vinegar. We have red wine vinegar. We'll start from the top. We have our leftover pasta. We have green onions. I already washed and cut them. So it's ready and I put paper towel in it. And then we have our eggs in the back. We have this. I got this from Whole Foods the other day because I'm planning to make pancit. And then this is zucchini and this is squash. This is a leftover of onion. And this is lime and this is lemon. We have mangoes. We have apple, orange. We have a few apples and a few oranges. And we have green beans. I already washed and have it ready as well. And I have mushrooms. It's already cut as well. And then we have our whole milk here from Costco. So we have 2. And then let's move here. I have this Promised Land. It's not very healthy, but I love it. So I normally buy it from Costco. And then in the back, we have that vodka. This is a pasta sauce that we normally get from Whole Foods. It's pretty good because made with real organic cream. And I have this. We have yogurt, Chobani. This is the non-fat. And then we have the regular yogurt vanilla flavor. Let's put it back there. And then we have this feta cheese. We normally use it when we make eggs and salad. The fridge is giving me warning that I have to close it. It's been open for too long. So it's making a weird sound. Okay, let's put it back. So that's how I organize my fridge. So that's the top and then the next layers here. And then here, I have celery, carrots, and green pepper. So before I put it here inside, I normally wash them first. They are clean. And then here, I have baby spinach. It's also triple washed according to Whole Foods. So I have sweet potato and I already washed that too. So if I wanted to cook that, it's ready. I just need to cut it. All right, it's pretty fast. And then I have this. This is a salad mix, power greens from Costco as well. So we still have one serving left. It's a pretty big bag, and I'm so proud that we are almost done with it. We have one serving left. And then I have this Brussels sprouts. So I also got it from Costco. I'm gonna make this today for dinner with chicken. And then let's put it back there. And then we have tomatoes. I have these tomatoes. I got it from Costco as well. And then here, this is a leftover. This is a smoked fish. If you can see it. It's a smoked fish. I ate that earlier this afternoon. And then this is leftover rice. Of course, rice is life because I am a Filipino. And then I have broccoli. We have broccoli here. So probably this is good for 2 more servings. So all the vegetables are here, and then some of the leftovers. So I like this fridge because it's pretty organized like that. And then let's move here. And I have this. This is bok choy. I'm gonna use this for the fish that I got from the Filipino store last week. So I already pre-washed it before putting it here and putting it in the fridge. So this is already clean and ready to use. So I just have to dump it in a pan whenever I'm ready to cook my fish. And then I have, this is cilantro. It's also clean, and yeah, I already clean and wash it before putting it here. All right, let's put it back. So that's the first part of our fridge tour. We're gonna close it. And we're gonna move to the next here. Okay. Please don't judge us here. So this, because in the Philippines, Yakult is one of my favorites. But I found this. I bought this from Costco. Thank you, Costco. So yeah, that's mine. This is Chris's favorite drink. This is carbonated or sparkling water, but it's flavored. Like this one is black cherry. See? Sparkling water. And then this one is grapefruit. And then we have, this is cheese. That's cheese. Should be here because all of our cheeses are here. And then this is a roll-up. This is, we normally use this for lunch and breakfast. We have our cheese here, medium cheddar. And we have butter. This is our favorite butter. And again, that's cheese. And then that's cheese too. This is goat cheese, I think. I don't know, but that's Chris's cheese. This is another cheese, Havarti cheese. It's one of our favorites too. And this is cream cheese. And then this is a box of butter. So yeah, so that's the second drawer. Or the second part of the fridge. This is pretty cool because it's very easy to grab anything that you wanted. It's very visible and very easy to grab anytime. And then let's go to the bottom. This is the last part. This is the freezer. So in the freezer, we have, this is a chicken sausage. Because in this house, we don't eat pork. So this is a fully cooked chicken sausage. And then this is fully cooked mini wontons, chicken and cilantro. We normally use it for snacks Or sometimes for lunch, we put it in noodles or noodle soup. And then we have, this is chicken wings, frozen, and this is chicken breast. And then we have on this side, there's a divider. So the meat is here, and then here are fruits. We have rosemary fries. It's pretty good. We like that. This is for our smoothie. We have this frozen organic wild blueberries. We also get it from Costco. We got that from Costco. And then we have our frozen strawberries for our smoothies. And then let's move here. So here we have ice cream. We have this Alden's organic mint chip ice cream, and we have this Dave's Killer Bread. And then here on the side, so this is fish. I got it from the Asian store or the Filipino store when I went last week. So I'm gonna cook that maybe tomorrow or next week. And I have lumpia wrapper, spring roll wrapper. I'm planning to make lumpia probably 2 weeks from now. So yeah, that's all we have in our fridge and freezer. Go back. That's all I have, guys, for today for my fridge tour. Thank you so much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification button so you'll get notified when I upload a new video. See you next time, and stay safe, stay home. Take care. Bye.